Let's solve these together. It says x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 10. Now we're going to solve for the values of x and y. Okay. Now from here, we can notice one thing. We can say that, let's call this equation 1 and 2 respectively. Okay. Now we can say that from 2, or from equation 2, that y is equal to 10 over x. Okay, let's replace y as 10 over x in equation 1. We'll have x plus 10 over x is equal to 10. From here, we can say multiplying each term by this. So x times x is x squared plus 10 over x times x is 10 is equal to 10 times x is 10x. Now from here, okay, we can now say that x squared minus, okay, this will come to this side to give us 10x on this side, which is minus 10x plus 10 is equal to 0. Alright? Now from here we can say, since we cannot factorize this using the normal factorization of quadratic equation, we can say that our x here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay? Now, let's clarify what this stands for. This is called the quadratic formula. Alright? So this is the quadratic formula. And minus b, okay, or b is the coefficient of x, okay, which is 10. But you carry the sign, so it's minus 10. Then a here stands for the coefficient of x, which is 1. And c stands for the constant term, which is 10. Alright? Alright. Now, moving on from here, we can say, let's factor in these values in this equation. So we have that x here now will become equal to minus 10 is plus 10 plus or minus square root of 10 squared or minus 10 squared is 100 minus 4 times 10 times 1 is 40 all over 2a is 2 times 1, which is 2. Now our x here will become equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 40 is 60 all over 2. Okay? Now, moving on from here, we can say that our x here will become equal to 10 plus or minus, okay, 60 now can be, root of 60 can be expressed as root of 4 times root of 15 all over 2. Now, x here will become equal to, let's isolate this in the middle. Now, 2 into 10 is 5, root of 4 is 2, and 2 into 2 is 1. So we have what's left here to be root of 15. Okay? So it means that our x here in this equation is 5 plus or minus root of 15. Now recall that our y is equal to 10 over x. From here, we can simply say that our y now will become equal to what? 10 divided by 5 plus or minus root of 15. Okay? Now, let's pick one and solve. So let's pick plus, for example. So when x is equal to 5 plus root of 15, we now have that y is equal to 10 divided by 5 plus root of 15. Hence here, y will be equal to 10 divided by 5 plus root of 15. We are going to conjugate this denominator to remove his sword. So multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 5 minus root of 15. Okay? So multiplying both things by 5 minus root of 15. This is called rationalizing the denominator, alright? We multiply by the conjugate of this denominator. From here, y will be equal to 10 into 5 plus root of 15 divided by 5 squared is 25 minus root of 15 squared is 15. Now you ask me why I did this. The reason I did this is because this is in the form of difference of two squares. So if you look at this and this, it's the same as this and this. The only difference is the sign in the middle. Okay, and this follows the law of difference of two squares. So what we just do is to take one of this and square, take one of this and square, and put minus between them. That's why you call it difference of two squares. Okay. Now this minus this is 10. Okay, so this is 10. Now 10 here can strike 10 at the numerator, so we have that y is equal to 5. Sorry, this is minus rather. 5 minus root of 15. When what? So this is when x is equal to 5 plus root of 15. Invariably means that when what? When y is 5 plus root of 15, x will be 5 minus root of 15. Okay, so it means that y comma, okay, let us say y on its own is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 15. All right, and this becomes the two final answers to this equation. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.